Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 crashing to desktop, especially after the new update. So just before we begin, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. So first things first, most likely after the new update, there could be a missing file or corrupted file after the update. So to fix that, open up your Steam right over here, click on Library, right click on your game, click Properties right over here. On the lab panel, once the window is popped up, click Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. So basically this is a tool for Steam that fixes any corrupted files that might cause crashes to desktop. Click on it, wait for it to verify the integrity of game files. Basically, this is what it should look like right over here. It's counting up the percentage. Wait for it to finish up to 100%. Once done, basically this is what it should look like. All files successfully validated. Exit this out and relaunch your game. The second option right over here. Once more, right click on your game, go to properties. On the left panel, click general. On launch options, basically it's gonna force DX11 on your game. Type in /DX11, close this out, relaunch your game, and see if the problem still persists. Now, if the problem still persists, one last option is basically right click on your game once more, hover up to manage, browse local files. Over here, it will pop up a file folder, file the executable file for your game. It should be the type bar application over here. Right click on it, click properties, compatibility, and make sure you check on disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. As you can see, click apply, then OK. What I'd recommend is basically relaunching your game from the folder itself. So basically, press enter once you're in this folder and it should be fixed. Now, if this video helped your problem, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. Again, have a great rest of your day. Peace.